Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Let's dive right into it. What we're gonna do on this video is just do a price update. We're gonna have a little chat about what's going on currently in the market in terms of price, and I kind of want to talk about my bull run prediction, like what I think is going to happen, when I think it's going to happen. And again, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. We talk about it all the time here on the channel, so keep that in mind. Also, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. That's one way you could really help us out here on the channel, okay? So what we're going to do is head over to CoinMarketCap. And by the way, this is the first day in a while where, other than my voice, I feel pretty good. So I've been sick for, a couple weeks. So it's kind of nice to create content when, you can actually focus on crypto and you can actually think properly. It's hard to think and really be part of the space when you're sick. So kind of that's been going on. So Bitcoin is over 47,000 USD. Let's take a closer look at that. So we're at 47,300 basically. And on the week, I don't know the exact number, but we'll check it out. So on the day, we're up 4%. Today's been a good day. On the week, we're up 10% roughly. On the month, we're back to where we were. At least that's what it's showing right now. It might be a little bit different, but I know on the year we're doing well. So about a year ago, we were at 16,000. So even beyond a year ago, we were doing really well. So guys, comment down below. Did you catch the Bitcoin bottom? Did you buy some Bitcoin right here towards the bottom? Let's actually zoom out even more. I got some at 16 something, I think it was. Yeah, I got some at 16, I think 7 or something. So I didn't buy a lot. I bought $400 or $500 worth, but at the end of the day, you guys know, I'll give you guys some picks that I'm into right now, but I'm 70, I brought it down a bit. I'm about 65, 70% Kobe. I am roughly 10, 20% Meld, 10% Bitcoin. Then I have some ETH in a bunch of other stuff, just small positions. But primarily I'm into cornucopias. I'm going to be doing a dedicated video on kind of the categories that I look at, the sectors. So it's really crypto gaming. I believe that the layer 1s and 0s, that's going to be something, the interoperability for blockchains, that's going to be a big play. And of course, Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin's going to continue to drive the market, bring things to where we really want them to be. So you guys can comment down below as well. What price do you think Bitcoin's going to be in, let's say summer? Let's say September of 2024. So we got 65 days to the halving. So let's take a look at that. I usually bring it up. It's kind of cool to bring up, pretty easy to do. So 65 days, April 2024, the block rewards will be reduced from 6.25 Bitcoin to 3.125. So when you are mining Bitcoin, the companies, people that mine Bitcoin, the amount of rewards, so that's what incentivizes you to mine, that gets cut in half every 4 years. So instead of, when you earn a block, if you get a block, then you'll get 6.25 currently, and that's going to be reduced. So 2028, 2032, 2036, whatever it is, it's going to get exponential. Soon it's going to be 1 Bitcoin, basically, then it's going to be half a Bitcoin. So getting your hands on some Bitcoin is going to be tough. And on top of that, there's only 1 million Bitcoin left. So we can look at the exact numbers. Let's look here. So Satoshi has 1 million, right? Whoever that is. It might be Moose. No, it's definitely not me, guys. Don't worry. Total supply, 21 million. There's 623. So what is that, 700,000 more Bitcoin till we have 1 million left? And Satoshi already has 1 million. So there's less than 1 million Bitcoin to be you know what I mean? The supply is so low. So I don't know if it's less than 1 million. I guess it would be, 1.3 mil. But the thing is that Satoshi has so many. Michael Saylor has like 25% of the Bitcoin. Like that guy's going to be the richest person in the world. He'll be one of them. I heard a thing too. Michael Saylor was I think he was saying he's going to buy the top forever. I think he keeps buying Bitcoin, right? So, you know, talk about conviction. Talk about conviction. And one thing I want to mention too is that, you know, for me personally, I had 25 cryptos in my portfolio a couple years ago. Now I have like 8 or 9. So even as you mature in crypto, really understand that if you're going to pick something up, how much do you actually believe in it? So I tend to go with what I have a lot of conviction with, because that's how you're going to grow your investments. Now, you want to be smart about it. For example, you should have 25% Bitcoin, right? Not financial advice, not telling you what to do, but you should have at least 25% Bitcoin. That's what I think, because that's the only real sure bet at this point if you are going to invest in crypto. You got Ethereum, almost 2,500. Now, when ETH goes up, and I'm going to be putting out this video tonight. So right now we're February 9th. It's about 6 p.m. Video should be out within a couple hours. When Ethereum goes up, okay, now you're going to see the rest of the alts coming out. So typically it's Bitcoin leads a chart, which it has. Now you're going to see ETH pump, which it is, it's starting to now. By tomorrow, alts are going to go nuts. And I think we're going to see that play out even more. Solana's been crushing it. I picked up one Sol. So for you guys also, for those of you that have been picking up a Tangem card, awesome. I appreciate it too, because we both get $10. And I also got an email. So I'm going to put this up. I got an email from the Tangem team. So I've been speaking to them. They've been speaking to the Moose. They've been telling me, hey, like, how's the card? You know, what should we do differently? They haven't asked that, but they should. I do like the ring idea because I do want to be married to crypto. It's probably the only ring I'll ever buy for someone. And it's going to be crypto for myself or for someone in my family to inherit. So I got an email saying February 14th to February 21st, Tangem users can swap with 0% fees. So if you signed up, if you are a Tangem user, if you bought a card, if you are a Crypto Moose user, you can swap with 0% fees on Valentine's Day, February 14th to the 21st. So shout out to Tangem. Shout out to you all. I love it. I love it. The Moose loves it. I also have this beautiful crypto.com card. So if you guys want to check out that link in the description below, check out the link tree. So I do have that. I'm going to start promoting this even more. So I will add a link to that. But if you guys want to pick up a hardware wallet, check them out here. We have online courses. All my socials are here. I do want to connect more with you all. I've been working on adding more to the Discord. And, you know, we got the Loose Moose NFTs. So those are fun. Some of you have already done well with those. But the cards have been sweet. So pick them up. I also like the Trezor. You guys should be using protection, right? So the way you want to think about crypto, if you have a lot, right, is it's kind of like sleeping around. You should be using protection. Not telling you should sleep around, but if you're going to do it, make sure to use protection, okay? That's what the Moose is going to say. So, you know, if you're going to get loose, you got to make sure to do that, okay? So that's kind of my advice. I know a lot of you are younger watching, especially if you're new to crypto. You know, you want to educate yourself as much. So this is looking good. There's a lot of reasons for this price action. We got the halving. We've got, you know, the Moose out on YouTube, right? People are getting into crypto, but it's because of the Moose, right? There's a correlation here between 431 videos that have been uploaded in the price of Bitcoin. So ever since I started getting into crypto on YouTube, we've just been doing well, slowly and steadily. So if you guys want to watch some content as well, subscribe to the channel, watch Late Game Crypto interview. I think you guys will like that. So what else we got? We got to talk about ADA. Sol's doing great, even though they were down for 5 hours, and I mean, not a big deal, right? Guys, we're down for 5 hours. Don't panic. I know you have your life savings on there. Don't worry, we'll be back up. Like, that's kind of crazy. Like, are we going back to acting like banks or what? XRP, we don't talk about it because the Moose doesn't own any. USDC, I like stablecoin, but ADA baby, ADA is going to go bananas. I'm probably going to do another clickbaity title and thumbnail and just put this out like tomorrow or Saturday. It will be. So ADA, 5%, 6% on the month. On the year, we're up 50%. Guys, this is looking good. If we get to like 60 cents, I think we're just going to continue. If we can just get to that 60 cent mark, I think we're going to the moon, baby. Like, I hate to say it, but you guys better call like NASA, because the Moose is going to the moon. If this goes to $1 and then beyond, Kopi's gonna go nuts. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take some notes. The Moose is getting loose, baby. The Moose is getting loose. So ADA doing really well. So in terms of Bitcoin, let's talk about some price predictions. So we're gonna do insert price prediction on the time code here. So Bitcoin by September of this year, I'm thinking 80 to 90,000, and then we'll keep going. These are just guesses, guys. Like this is not 100%, but this is a prediction. So 80 to 90K on Bitcoin USD by September 2024. Cardano, I believe, will be $1.13 minimum. ETH, probably $3,000. Maybe higher. No, probably higher. Probably okay. No, it's got to be higher. Let's go 3,800 on ETH. I think it's gonna go, but it's gonna go to like 4 or 5 towards the end of the year. Solana could probably be $400 or $500 by then. That's what I think. These are just guesses. Comment down below if you agree. I want to hear your price predictions. You guys never share with me your price predictions, so please do that. Let's get loose, baby. Let's get loose. Also, I do have a Kivo, so I'm going to be unboxing this. This is a $300 hardware wallet. I did not buy this. The team over at Kivo shipped it to the Moose. So it's a beautiful hardware wallet. I'm not going to show you what it looks like. But it is, what I will say is that it is the nicest hardware wallet. It really is. And I'll get into it in the video. So a lot of companies are sending me their hardware wallets. I've got 15 hardware wallets. I don't even know what to put on them. I don't know what to put on them. Like at this point, I'm going to load up a hardware wallet and ship it to a loose Moose holder. So that's going to have to happen. Comment down below if you agree, if the Moose should do that. If I feel loose enough, I might. I'm feeling good, man. First time in a while I haven't been sick. The Moose is losing weight. He's on a diet. The Moose, guys, the goal for the Moose is to get down to 225. By the way, 3 years ago, I was 350 pounds-ish. I was for sure 340. And then I was like, I got to weigh myself. Then over 2 years, I lost like 80, 90 pounds. Then I took a break, but I'm back on it. So the Moose is going to get shredded into the bull run. That's the goal, man. The Moose is going to be huge. Don't worry, guys. The Moose has your back. So if anybody's picking on you at school, if anybody is, I don't know. If you guys have any problems, message the Moose. He's going to roll up his sleeves. He's going to come over there, and he's going to shove a Trezor down the bully's face. Okay? So I'm going to tell you. So before we get carried away here, what is up on the week? We got Caspa doing well. Dimensions, I don't even know what that is. Sui's been doing good. Beam's doing good because Becker pumped it. Let's be honest. Bonk's finally up. Guys, I swapped all my soul for like stupid meme coins. Oh my God. The moose lost like $1,000. Oh man, the moose. Guys, do not try to make a quick buck. Do your research and do not swap your Bitcoin to get in on a meme. I did a small amount, but guys, like it hurts. If I win $1,000 at a casino, I feel good, which I've never done because I don't really bet other than like crypto, I guess you can call it. But like if you win $1,000, you feel great. I assume you'd feel really good. I've won a couple $100 before, but if you lose $2, you want to cry. It's terrible. It's like going to Walmart. You're spending $1,000 to buy like, I don't know, 2 days worth of groceries. And they're like, can you donate $2? Like, no, not right now. Like, guys, like, haven't you seen my public address? I'm not ready to donate yet. I will. But anyways, that's all we got. I just want to remind you again, check out the link tree. Guys, there's a free Cardano mini course. If you are asking questions like how to set up a wallet, how to buy ADA, how to protect your assets, this will help you across the board throughout every chain. These are fundamentals that you can build and continue to grow with. Also, guys, check out the Loose Moose NFT. We get the ADA plates on sale as well. These are doing all right. 3 days ago, one sold, etc. So we're going to be doing a lot more NFT videos and more. That being said, the moose is loose. If it's not your keys, it's not your damn cheese. Cheers, everybody. Welcome to our Cardano mini course. Are you ready to dive into the world of Cardano? Whether you're a beginner exploring cryptocurrencies or a seasoned investor looking to expand your portfolio, this comprehensive course is designed to guide you through the essential steps of getting started with Cardano. Hi there, I'm your instructor, Mitchell Bouchard, and I'm thrilled to help guide you along this exciting new journey. Some of you may know me as Crypto Moose, and others may know me from other courses I've taught and produced on Udemy. With over 500,000 students taught around the globe, my team and I have put in a lot of time and care into this Cardano course. We'll cover everything you need to know from setting up your wallet to understanding how to send, receive, stake, and engage in yield farming. No matter your experience level, we've got you covered. Throughout the course, we will provide clear and practical instructions to help you navigate the Cardano ecosystem. I've personally been in this space for over 5 years, and I've accumulated a lot of digital assets. Imagine having the knowledge to confidently manage your Cardano investments, swap tokens seamlessly, and participate in the exciting world of yield farming. With this Cardano mini course, you'll gain the skills necessary to do just that. So what will you learn? Our comprehensive curriculum includes an introduction to Cardano and its unique features, step-by-step instructions for setting up your Cardano wallet, the importance of backing up your wallet seed and added security, how to confidently send and receive Cardano ADA transactions, the art of staking Cardano and earning passive rewards, discovering the world of buying Cardano ADA NFTs, troubleshooting common wallet issues like a pro, mastering the art of swapping tokens on the Cardano blockchain using DEXs, which are decentralized exchanges, unleashing the power of yield farming and maximizing your returns, and finally, a conclusion that ties it all together. This course is perfect for anyone that wants to learn about the Cardano blockchain. You'll go from beginner to pro, gaining valuable knowledge and skills in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies and NFTs. This course also comes with a custom workbook that you can use to easily find links and back up your crypto wallets. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to level up your Cardano knowledge in making the most out of your investments. To get started, click on the link in the description below. You will get immediate access to the course workbook along with all video files. We will see you in the course.